Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're gonna do the camera review of the flagship Xiaomi Mi 5. So Xiaomi Mi 5 comes with a 16 megapixel rear camera with f2.0 aperture. It has 4-axis optical image stabilization, face detection, autofocus, and it also comes with dual tone LED flash. Now the front facing camera is a 4 megapixel camera, which is an ultra pixel camera, and both these cameras are capable of full HD video recording, and the rear camera can also record videos in 4K resolution. It also supports slow motion video recording in HD quality. So that is the spec aspect of the cameras. Now let's go into the interface and see how good the camera interface is. So this is the typical Xiaomi interface, and this comes with almost all features. You can see it's pretty quick to focus. So we'll just keep an object and see how far the focusing is. So you can see here it's pretty quick to focus objects, and taking photos is pretty fast as well. Now if you just swipe towards the top, you can see there are different camera modes available. We have the fisheye, straighten mode, manual mode, lots of modes included. So these are typical the Xiaomi interface, the MIUI 7 interface, and you have different filters available, and you can take pictures in 4:3 aspect ratio, and also that's the standard quality, and the full screen with lower resolution at 16:9 aspect ratio. We have set the picture quality as high for all the photos we have taken using this device, and there are standard options including enhancing the low light pictures automatically. So these are the options available. Now if you go to the video settings, we have the time lapse mode, slow motion, and audio focus mode. And if you go to the settings, the video recording, we have a 4K video recording. By default it's HD quality. We have the full HD 1080p and the 4K video recording support. You can also capture images while recording video. That option is also available. So that were the settings of the camera. So overall it's a feature rich camera and works pretty well. Now let's go to the sample shots which we have taken using this device. So as you can see from the rear facing camera, the 16 megapixel camera is able to take really good captures in daylight. You can see there's plenty of detailing. The sharpness levels are also quite good. The color quality is also really good. The exposure levels are also maintained very well. So all in all, we would say the daylight captures have come really good on this device, and we would say one of the really great cameras in this price point. If you're looking for great cameras in the sub 25k price point, we definitely recommend this based on the daylight shots. Now here some of the close-up shots. Again, plenty of detailing in the close-up shots. No noise levels when taken outdoors in bright sunlight. So there are plenty of details, and color quality looks really stunning for this pricing. So overall we would say the daylight shots, both the normal shots and the close-up shots, have come really good using this 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. So that was the daylight shots. Now let's move on to the low light camera samples. So here are some of the low light camera samples, and you can see when there is adequate lighting, the photos have come quite good, but there is some amount of noise creeping in here and there. And one of the issues we faced with the device is extreme close-up shots. When you are taking in low light, it does produce some noise, and the focusing was not really accurate. And this phone also comes with the HDR mode. You can do the auto mode and on mode. We would suggest you to take photos in low light with HDR. That makes it captures much better than the normal photos. Now apart from that, the overall clarity of the low light photos was quite good. It was not really the best if you compare with the Samsung Galaxy S7. We did a comparison video. If you compare with that, it's not that great quality, but still considering the price, almost half the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S7, which we consider is one of the best camera smartphones available today. So when you compare with that, there is some obviously some differences. The low light performance was not really that great when you compare with the S7, but still for this price point we would say this is definitely some decent performance all around. Now there is also dual tone LED flash, which works quite decent. Here are some of the samples taken in with the flash, and they have come quite good. Now let's move on to the front facing camera. So this is the 4 megapixel camera, which is an ultra pixel camera, and here we have the beautify mode. You can select the range, and if you just swipe down, we have the option to choose the filters. So that's the option in the front facing camera. So that's all in the front facing camera. Here are some of the samples taken with the front facing camera, and they come quite good. And the front facing camera is also able to record videos in full HD mode, so that's something really good if you're looking for video calls. So the clarity of the front facing camera is quite good, and the detailing is also pretty well. Now there is you can just increase the exposure value. There is a touch to focus, and you can increase the exposure values using this method. So this is a pretty useful feature as well. So that was the camera aspect. Now talking about the video recording quality. Now we recorded 4K videos as well as full HD videos. We uploaded both on our YouTube channel. So this is the full HD video mode, and you can see the quality of the sample looks quite good, but at times the camera hunts for focus, and that could be an issue at times, but not really a major issue. But still, when you compare with the flagship like S7, which has really great video recording abilities, this is not really that great. But we would say still it's one of the really good cameras smartphones available in this price point. And apart from that, the 4K video quality also looked quite good. Now comparing the optical image stabilization with S7, again S7 is really superior in terms of optical image stabilization, but again in this device there is 4-axis optical image stabilization, which reduces the shake when you take pictures, and also there is quite good performance when you are recording videos on the move. So that was the camera aspect of the Xiaomi Mi 5. So what do we feel about the camera on the Xiaomi Mi 5? We would say this is one of the really good cameras in this price point, with really great clarity. The colors look really stunning. The overall clarity looks quite good. The selfie camera also works very good. There is 4K resolution support. There is slow motion, full HD video. Everything is included. So all in all, it's a great package. Definitely one of the best camera smartphones in this price point, the sub 25k price point. So we would say this is, if you're looking for an affordable flagship with great camera quality, this is one device to choose. So that's all guys with the Xiaomi Mi 5 camera review. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.